up, everybody? Bluegabe here. I'm in Yampa, Colorado. It's 2019 elk season. It actually starts tomorrow. So today, I've been here for 7 years straight, and I've watched these guys mow, and I've always wanted to tell their story. To me, it's mind-blowing. They put up such a large amount of hay, and that's how they make their living. So today, I want to go through that process, and it's not going to just be today, it'll be throughout the week. I want to show you from start to finish. Irrigation, everything that they do, and they don't use any pumps for irrigation. It all comes up out of the mountains into these little ditches, trickles down, they channel it out through these pastures, irrigate it, fertilize it, cut it, swaft it, bale it, then they send it to Denver on big trucks, their own personal trucks. So right here next to me, this is one of the ditches. It'll go all the way around, and then they'll hit little fingers, and the fingers will run it out there in that pasture. That's how they irrigate. Right there's Gary mowing. Right over there is Dick. He's swafted. Let's get up under here and look. That's not your average lawnmower. So only this teeny little piece is cutting, right, on each side?
Yeah.
Goodness.
But they're dull right now.
What is the purpose of having that?
That's the condition.
Just sort of flatten it?
The hay. It takes the hay and crimps it and makes it dry.
Huh. That's pretty neat. I thought it just spit it out.
Well, it does that too, but
it crushes it a little. It breaks it.
Yeah, that way the
moisture gets out of it.
Yeah.
Huh, you learn something new every day, y'all. All right, so this is what it looks like when he cuts it, but it's real wet. There's a lot of moisture in this grass. So they'll let it sit like this for a couple days, and then they'll come in and turn it with that swafter. Then they'll let it sit another day or two, and they'll turn it again, and then they'll come through and bale it. All right, y'all, I gotta apologize for something. I've been calling this particular machine the wrong name the whole time. I've been calling this machine right in front of me the swafter. It's not, it's a rake, and I just got corrected, so I had to come show y'all. This is a rake. I should have known that because it looks like a rake. I thought it was a swafter. The big mower is what they call the swafter. I stand corrected, y'all. So these same rows that he's baling are the same rows that you saw them turn over earlier. So y'all want to know what the coolest part about this is? Right up there about 600 yards where I'll be elk hunting tomorrow morning. Because guess what? Tomorrow morning's opening day of 2019 Colorado elk season, archery season. We're getting after them. But today, we're working hay. All right, y'all owe me for this shot. I'm getting up on top of the stack, y'all. Let it rip, Tater Chip! Talk about a wild ride, y'all. This is wild. All right, y'all, so this stack whacking makes everybody's life easier. They don't have to walk around and pick them up by hand. So it gets like 15, 20 bales, bam, slams them up, gets another 15, slams them up. They take them down to the stack yard and we'll show you all that next. Go one more lap. This is living the life. We're here to elk hunt, but we're also here to help out the family ranch and work. So anytime you're anywhere hunting or fishing and you can help whoever's taking you, man, pitch in and help. And in case y'all are wondering, I'm doing it in my Crocs. I've been hunting the same ranch for 7 years off and on. Every year I'm here, I try to help out as much as I can, whether it's stack hay or tarp hay when it starts to snow. On this whole pasture, but maybe 30 minutes and he's already almost done. So as you can see behind me, we only have room for one more stack. All right, so now that we've cut the hay, swaffed the hay, baled the hay, we bring it here to this big holding yard right behind me. See all these big stacks? Now they'll hold this hay here for several months at a time, and they get snow and rain like crazy, so they got to put these big tarps on here. I'm gonna jump up on one of the stacks and show y'all how that's done. Then all we got to do is show you how to load a truck, and it's out of here to Denver. Pretty good view from up here. Still some snow left on top of the mountains. So these tarps are huge, as you can see, because they cover these whole entire stacks. If they didn't put these tarps on here, the snow and rain would damage them. And yeah, I got my Crocs on in Colorado. Jeff, approximately how many bales of hay are in each one of these lines? Approximately.
24 times 135.
Y'all do the math. 24 times 135 in each one of these stacks. I'm about to get run over. So they put bungee cords down each side to keep the wind from blowing them off. All right, we'll see y'all in the next step. All right, y'all, we're in the kitchen. Got a big old, not sure what this is, a brown trout or a brook trout, but it's a big one. Got James' first rainbow trout. We're about to cook it on the grill. Look what else we got. We caught these in the local creek. They were under some rocks, so you know we harvested them. Some nice big old spiny lobster tails. So we're gonna cook these trout whole. Just cut a couple little slices. Yeah, I don't have my silver stag, but whatever. Make a couple slices on each one. I'm gonna do each one a little bit different. Got some onions. About like that. Oop, I just spilled some onions. Got some mushrooms. About like that. I'm gonna take some butter garlic on the one. A little onion pepper on this one. Then I'm gonna take this butter right here. Take a little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna wrap them up and put them on the grill. About that much, that's all we're gonna do. Plain and simple. All right, so it's dark out there on the porch. I can't film out there, so I'm gonna go put them on the grill, bring them back in, you'll see everything in a second. All right, let's do the lobster. The lobsters. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of butter garlic. Then we're gonna do a little bit of the Creole. Look at that. Now we're going to take just a little bit of butter, because everybody loves butter. Just lather that butter on there nice and even. All right. I'm sorry it's dark. The bulb went out on the porch, but y'all get the point. Trout are already going. Lay the lobsters on here. I guarantee you when I caught these lobsters, they had no idea they'd end up in the Rocky Mountains. Put the lid back on. Got a good salad to go with this, and we'll see y'all when it's done. All right, y'all, dinner's done. That's a wrap. My buddy Gary's sitting here. His parents own this ranch. Now, y'all look at what this, look at that. Just look. That's the rainbow trout. What is that, Gary? What is that trout?
It's a brown.
A brown trout. That's what I thought. We actually caught two, but I turned the one loose. That's the red-eyed toro and the lionfish. Obviously, y'all know what that is. We caught these in the creek out back. Big prawns, some garlic bread. We're ready to eat. Try a little bite and tell me your honest opinion. If anybody's gonna be brutally honest, it's gonna be him, y'all. Oh God, he ain't said nothing yet. Maybe we should pan over.
It's not the way I fix it.
Well, how do you fix it then? Let me try a little bite. How do you fix
You know,
it?
it's good, but it's you fried bacon. You put jalapenos on the inside,
All right.
and it's
To my defense, I'm gonna continue letting you go. But to my defense, I never cook with this seasoning. I always cook with this one. So try this one and then tell me.
I like this one better.
Well, there you go. I knew I couldn't win that battle. All right, now here, try the red-eyed toro. You and your dad.
That looks good. I can't wait to try that.
That's lionfish you got, Gary, and he's got toro.
That's really, really good.
What you think?
That's real good.
That means it's extraordinarily good for him to say it's really good, y'all. Now she's the boss. She's the one who raised all these kids around here. We need to let you try it.
I do like to. Can I use your fork?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Which one is this?
They're both pretty much the same fish. One's a deadly poisonous fish, and the other one's a red-eyed toro.
And they've been depoisoned, I presume.
Their spines are the only thing that's poisonous.
Oh my God. No. Whoa. No, I love that. This is really, really good.
All right, y'all. We trout fished. We shot our bows. We cut hay. We did everything. We cooked. We did trout. We did everything. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the subs. But tomorrow's opening day of 2019 archery elk season in Colorado. We got to get to bed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. We gone.